And welcome back to Pure Nebraska. Common Ground volunteer Karol Swan is back now with a recipe, and it's called a church ladies coffee cake. Karol, I love that. Is it from one of the church ladies in Columbus?
Yes, it is from one of the church ladies at Shell Creek Lutheran Church. We do quilting like the middle of January to the middle of March, and we do it every Wednesday, and every Wednesday they bring like 3 or 4 or 5 coffee cakes.
Wow.
And so we have a big afternoon meal, so to speak. So this is one of them. A good friend, Brenda, gave me the coffee cake
She didn't want you to give her name.
She didn't want me to give her name, but she's Brenda. But they're all church, the church ladies. So
I'm glad you did share her name. So
Yes.
tell us how we do this.
yes, okay. So we'll start with 1 stick of butter or half a cup of butter and a cup of sugar.
All right, move this over so
And we just start stirring that. And while we're doing that, I'll put, we have 2 cups of flour, I have baking soda and baking powder. And we'll put that in there.
And the butter's just softened.
The butter's softened, and we use a half a teaspoon of almond flavoring and 2 eggs, and we just start stirring the eggs in. Then we'll go with some buttermilk, and I brought my powdered buttermilk. I am a firm believer of powdered buttermilk because you can throw the powdered buttermilk in the freezer. And it keeps forever, whereas your half a cup of powdered milk, guess who gets it? My kitties, and usually end up getting the rest. Love my kitties, and we'll just kind of pour again, and we'll go quickly here.
Okay. All right. So stir all of this.
Stir all of that.
I don't know if I'm doing the best job stirring, Karol.
Well, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, now we can start. Even though it's not quite all stirred up, it'll still work.
Okay.
And we'll put half of it in this cake pan. And I've got a very heavy bowl. I didn't realize how heavy my bowl was.
Yeah.
And we'll put that in here, half of it.
Just half, all right?
Half, and we spread it around. And then we'll put half the cranberry in there. And then we'll do the other half of the dough
On top of that.
on top of that, and the other half of the cranberry.
Okay. So
And-
you just kind of keep pouring.
Yeah.
All right. And then when you bake it.
You bake it
For-
350 for 45 minutes. 45 minutes does work. Then you make a glaze of like a cup, 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar and a tablespoon of water, and you pour it over the top after it's been well cooled.
And there's the glaze information. Okay.
And then we cut it.
You just
And it's
pour
really
this
pretty.
over.
Yeah, just kind of swirl that around there.
And then you give it
Give it a slice.
a slice. Ooh, can't wait. Okay.
And there's our Easter plate.
There we
and
go.
there we go.
Ooh.
Isn't that pretty?
This would be nice for Easter, wouldn't it?
Oh, it would be. And it's just delicious. Yes. Yes. Love my church ladies. Love my quilting ladies.
It's very good. I got to keep chewing, Karol. All right, this is so great. It's on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. If you want to copy it down, give it a try. This would be a big hit for any occasion. Thank
Yes,
you.
it would.